Hi, this is John in Los Angeles. It's July 5th, 8:11 in the evening. I'm hearing fireworks every now and then, but guess who's here? This butt muffler. See what he does tonight. Look at this evil-looking turd. It really is. Look at this plane. It looks like a weird Mad Max plane or something. What an evil bastard. Let's see what he does tonight. See if he drops his goo and re-squirts or what. We're gonna see. I'm not imagining this thing. My neighbors have seen him and all kinds of stuff. So, let's just take a look. And the weirdest part of this is that he lights up underneath the plane and around the other side where the sun's not. There's no sun now, right now, at all. Let's see what he does here. I'm going to widen out a little bit. It looks like he's getting ready to spew. Fireworks were insane last night. They came from somewhere else. They were not Los Angeles fireworks. I got news for you. Those were bombs. Those were Disneyland professional bombs. And they went off all night. People's pets were a mess. All right, let's see what this butthole does. I gotta stay wide because I don't know what he's gonna do. Oh, my fingers are getting all tangled up. Okay. All right. Okay. His pee-pee's getting thin. He's got a urinary tract infection, I think, in his pee-pee pipe. All right, take a look. He's still going. God, bad enough we got fireworks, then we got this idiot. Uh-oh, now I gotta tilt back on the tripod way back here. Look at that. Wow, okay, you ugly peckerhead. Oh my God. Oh, he's right above me. I can't get him. Oh, God. Okay. Well, you saw him. There's something glowing up there, though. Hold on. Let me see if I can see it. Hold on. Okay. I don't think it's a sprayer. I don't know. Could be. Alright, that's enough. Sorry. Woo! Okay. That was exciting. Take care, guys.